Do you find it hassle to buy an overseas SIM card or rent a pocket Wi-Fi every time you go abroad? Now, with AirSIM, we provide a long-term solution for your travel data needs, once and for all. Using the latest technology, AirSIM can be transformed to a local SIM upon reaching your destination. All you need to do is to purchase a data package from our AirSIM Roam app. And when you reach your local destination, your AirSIM will then be transformed to a local SIM, allowing you to have access to the internet and be in touch with your loved ones, even on the go. Moreover, AirSIM is reusable and can be kept for all your subsequent traveling needs. For your next trip, you just have to purchase a data package from our AirSIM Roam app, and you are ready to stay connected all the times. You do not have to worry about losing internet access when you stay away from your traveling party with only one pocket Wi-Fi. What's more, if you download the AirTalk app, you can also make and receive calls while overseas. Making restaurant reservations, transport arrangement, and booking your concert tickets is now just a phone call away. With AirSIM, enjoy seamless data service wherever you are. Go and get your AirSIM now.